Achieving Financial Freedom, 8-Step Guide to a Better Financial Future. Here are some easy steps to start your journey to achieve financial freedom. Evaluate your current financial situation. This includes determining your income, expenses, and debts. A budget. Make a plan for how you will allocate your income each month and stick to it. Pay off debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card balances, and then work on paying off other debts. Increase your income. Consider ways to increase your income, such as getting a side hustle or asking for a raise. Save and invest. Start an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of living expenses and then start investing in a diversified portfolio. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and continue to live below your means, even as your income increases. Continuously educate yourself. Stay informed about personal finance and make informed decisions about spending and investing. Stick to your plan. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan, even when faced with temptations or unexpected expenses. Please remember, financial freedom is a journey and requires patience, discipline, and commitment. It may take time, but sticking to your plan can lead to a brighter financial future. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.